Welcome back. My name is Glory, and today I'll be making fried rice. So the first thing we're doing right now is parboiling the rice, which is partially boiled rice, and then that's pretty much what we're doing. And then the next step is to cut up your ingredients, your corns, carrots, onions, spicy pepper, any other garnish you have. We'll do so, and then once you're done with that, just keep watching for the rice because you don't want it to be too soft. So after the next step is pretty much drain the rice and set it aside to cool off. And then we are frying up. Right now I'm using shrimp, so I'm frying up some shrimps. You can use any other protein you have. Then the next step is preparing your stock. So I have my chicken stocks, my water, Maggi Cube, curry powder, spicy pepper, the fresh spices pepper, and the thyme, and also adding that parboiled rice in there as well. So that's pretty much what we're doing right now. You can buy your stocks from the store and then just add some seasoning to spice it up, or just kind of like give it more flavor. Those to medium heat till the water dries up. So just cover and just cook it till the water dries up. Then after your rice is finished drying up, you then transfer it to a cool container. And then the next step is then we will go ahead and fry that rice. And that's why it's called a fried rice. We will fry up the onions, the corn, the carrots, and the fresh peppers that you also had as well. And then you also add your shrimp too, or any other protein you have, chicken, tofu, anything you have. But right now I have shrimp, so you add those as well on there. And then the next step is to then add your rice. And then you add your rice and then you fry it up. You taste it. Please keep tasting because you want to make sure that it's good and seasoned well. I use this salt to add a little bit more taste, and then thyme. I love using thyme because I believe it brings out more flavor. So please keep adding thyme if you need to add thyme because it's good for you. I think that's what really brings fried rice, honestly. But yes, so that's pretty much it, and just stir it up evenly. And then that's pretty much just you do that the same thing you just did right now. You do it for the second batch and the third batch or the fourth batch, the same exact process. And then you put it out in a cool container. So this step you don't really have to do it. I'm just doing it because just to do it is just pretty much frying up red bell pepper. I'm sorry, green red bell pepper, and frying everything up together. Thank you for watching my fried rice, and I hope to see you next one. Thank you, and like, subscribe.